Would you like fries with that? That is probably the best example of cross-selling that I can think of. Basically, cross-selling provides more value for the customer and more revenue for your business. So I want to talk about cross-selling and package deals. Offering packages to your customers is really just another name for cross-selling. And cross-selling is when you try to get your customer to add on more services to generate more revenue. More revenue means more profit. And the more services that you can provide at one location means less time not washing. And if you ain't washing, you ain't making any money, and that's no good, right? So time is so valuable, and providing more services at one property is a way better use of your time and obviously way more efficient. So this isn't a hard sell to the customer at all. It can be as simple as just exposing them to other options that maybe that they hadn't heard of or thought of before, or services that they didn't know you provided, like window cleaning, roof cleaning, deck cleaning, gutter cleaning, driveways, whatever it is. Basically any service that you provide. Cross-selling isn't hard either, and it can be done in any sales scenario, whether it's in person, which is obviously the easiest, whether it's on the phone, by text, by email, your social media accounts, your website, and my personal favorite is Responsibid, 24/7 working all the time. Look, you know your services better than anyone, so don't be shy about telling a customer about your other services. If you're giving a written estimate, include prices or at least mention your other services. It can't hurt, and will probably end up making you some more money at the end of the day. Here's a tip. Never just give one or two prices, right? So if someone calls for a house wash and you give them a price, say it's $300, that's that. Nothing else to offer. Give them a price on the driveway. Say it's $200. Okay, well, I only called for the house wash. That's all I'm gonna go with. If you just give them two options, it's not gonna be as successful. But if you say the house is gonna be $300, a driveway this size would typically range in the $200 range, but we can do both of them for $425. They're more inclined to see the value, the savings, and hopefully pull the trigger. That's the package deal. It's simple. You can do this with any service. You just package them together. But also remember that you don't want to overwhelm the customer with like tons of prices and quotes. Keep it simple. Also, it's way easier to sell an existing customer than it is to a new one. Lead generation can be awfully expensive with Google ads and Facebook ads, bandit signs, printed marketing materials, whatever it is that you're using. All of that's really important and very necessary, but the power of the cross-sell and the value of the package deal can be done quickly, easily, and it's free. It is so much easier and cheaper to optimize the cross-sell to a customer who already trusts you. I read somewhere that it's like 25 times more expensive to acquire a new customer than it is to retain an existing one. That's amazing and huge. And when you do retain a customer, they're more likely to spend more money with you and use you for more services more often. So if your company isn't cross-selling, you're just leaving money on the table, and no one wants to do that. Another important thing to remember is not every customer is the right, that's a pressure washing company. Not every customer is the right customer or the right fit for the cross-sell. If you can't explain how the additional service is going to benefit the customer or add value, then it's really not worth pushing. So I suggest just focus on the customers that really need it. Cross-selling and packages add value for your customers. They feel they're getting more bang for their buck because you're delivering more value, and ultimately they're getting a better price because of the package. This builds trust, and that is incredibly important. And it makes them want to use you again and again. It makes them want to refer you to their friends, their family, and their neighbors. Just like every other aspect of your business, try to make it as simple and clear and easy for them to see why they should go with you, whatever it is you're selling. Your pricing should be transparent, and your work obviously has to be done to the highest standard possible. And of course, in my opinion, the most important thing is have the best customer service of anyone out there. I say all the time, We are in the customer service business, not the pressure washing business, and that guarantees happy long-term customers. Look, I know there's way more to selling packages as far as the pricing and what strategies you use. I've touched on some of this in other videos, and hopefully this one's helped, but every market is different. Every business model is different. I just hope that this helped out a little bit. Hey, thanks for watching the video. You guys are awesome. Leave a comment, give us a thumbs up, definitely subscribe. I got a good buddy over at Scott Cleans It. Check out his channel. He says it all the time. 70% of the people that watch his videos aren't subscribers, and that really is important for channels like this. So if you could, hit that subscribe button. Have a great day. Hope this helped, and most importantly, start cross-selling.